The way you carry yourself is always speaking. Even when you're calm on the inside, your posture, your eyes, your hands can give the opposite impression. And the hardest part about all of this is that most of these habits are just so automatic. We don't even notice them. So in this video, I'll show you 3 subtle body language habits that make people look nervous and how to replace them with calm, confidence, and presence. Number 1, fidgeting. Replace that with a calm hand position. Fidgeting is a nervous system leak. You're burning energy through your fingers. And for example, like pen tapping. It's distracting and it signals, I'm not settled. You have to fix it. Place your hands in a calm, grounded position. For example, you could take your fingers loosely, lace in front of you. Still hands equals still presence. It tells the room, hey, I'm good, right over here. Number 2, looking away too much. Replace with a very soft, focused eye contact. Shifting your eyes constantly, especially when answering a question, can make you feel and look unsure, even if you know what you're saying. It sends a message, I'm not confident on what I am saying. You get that? So you have to fix it. And fix it using a soft but a steady eye contact. For example, look at the person while making your point and only break when you pause to think. Calm eyes equal calm mind. Number 3, a shrinking posture. Replace it with a upright stillness. When people feel insecure, they shrink, shoulders curve forward. The head starts to tilt down and they take up as little space as possible. But confidence isn't loud, it's upright. Fix it. Relax your shoulders. Keep your chin level and sit or stand like you belong in the room because you do. You don't need to puff up. You just need to just stop hiding, all right? So let's recap all this. To stop looking nervous when you speak, calm your hands, don't fidget. Use steady and a soft eye contact. Stand or sit with a relaxed, upright posture. These don't just make you look confident, they actually help you feel that confidence. You don't have to be louder to be respected. You just have to show up with calm strength. Comment below, which body language habit do you catch yourself doing the most? And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to Speak Up Daily for weekly tools to help you communicate with presence, confidence, and peace.